Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this gorgeous plantain bread. No dairy plantain bread, like literally. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up and let's get down to it. And don't forget to click the notification button. We'll be using overly ripe plantains and we're going to mash that up. You can use a fork. And then we're going to add our eggs one by one until it's fully incorporated. I use 3 large eggs. Just like that. After all that, we're going to now add our oil. I'll be putting all the measurements in the description box below, so don't forget to check that. Once that has fully incorporated, now it's time for our dry ingredients. Here I have some flour, baking powder, baking soda, some mixed spices, and then salt and sugar. So I was using a hand mixer, and then I realized that life isn't that hard. Before it would just be messy, so I brought out my whisk and just mixed everything up together until it was fully combined. Easy does it, I know, right? This is so easy. Now we're going to combine our wet to our dry ingredients together. So you scoop all that, don't leave anything left behind, like literally. But if you have some, it's fine. We're going to be adding nuts to it later. So we're going to incorporate that together. Yes guys, that's basically it. So, like you all know, I reuse my parchment paper, especially when I'm baking for myself like this. So, there's really no need to use fresh ones. Like, recycle, guys, just recycle. Shake that, and now it's time for our nuts. So, I'll be using some granules here, and I'm going to pound that up. Well, you could use your blender, but then I didn't want it so smooth. So, I mixed that with our leftover batter. And then you just put that there, and then you bake it for about 55 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or thereabouts, and it's ready, guys. Just look how gorgeous that thing is. Yes, the main reason why it's brown is because I use brown sugar, and you know brown sugar has molasses in them, so that's why it's brown, and that's why it's so gorgeous. And it was yum and moist. Just look at that. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah.